To get flawless skin, you need to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. In addition, you can make use of several natural ingredients. However, it is always essential to conduct a patch test for DIY recipes and wait for at least 24 hours before applying them to the face. If you're looking for a natural acne remedy, activated charcoal may help by removing bacteria and other impurities from your pores. Controls oiliness. By removing dead skin cells and absorbing excess oil, activated charcoal may help give your skin a healthy glow without too much shine. Charcoal face mask ingredients required are charcoal tablets, gelatin powder. Take a bowl and fill it with half a cup of water, add 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder, add 4 to 5 charcoal tablets, stir them all until the tablets melt and dissolve with the powder. Take a brush and dip topli on your clean face and neck. Leave it to stay overnight, wash the mixture on the next day with cold water. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. You can expect the masks to help unclog pores and absorb environmental pollutants, oil, and dirt from the skin. Charcoal is especially good for people with acne and blackheads as it can help reduce excess oil.